They are sitting down. They're more active, and I was like,
well, they said they don't make them stand. They have chairs.
You
can't ride him.
Chairs in the room on the side, so if they want to sit down, they can. But like, they were showing it on TV. I'm like, that is great. Like,
yeah. He's awake now, Morgan. You better sing to him. Do you ever play cards with Ruger yet?
that would be heavy.
What happened, Morgan? Your dog lay down?
He gave up on you.
Stop.
You want to get the other dog now? Oh, she says, oh, that does it. I'm putting the choker chain on him. Open? Tell April to open it for you.
You don't want cookie?